Move a bathroom light switch by planning the circuit, cutting power, running new cable to the new location, and installing a properly sized junction box and switch. Begin by turning off the circuit at the main breaker and verify with a non-contact tester at the existing switch and fixture to ensure no power is present. Remove the switch cover and note which conductor is the line, which is the load, and whether a neutral is present in the box. Photograph or label wires so reconnection is exact. If the new location does not align with a stud cavity, plan a two-part installation, a remodel box that clamps to drywall at the new location, and a junction box in the original cavity for splicing. Use cable rated for bathroom environments, typically with a grounded equipment conductor, and maintain separation from low voltage by using separate boxes and conduit if required. When running new cable, fish it through wall cavities or soffits using a fish tape and avoid drilling through load-bearing studs. If you must drill, follow stud boring limits or install a protective nail plate. After making wire nut splices inside the junction box, tuck conductors neatly, secure the box, mount the switch at standard height relative to finished floor, restore power briefly to test operation and grounding, then finalize by installing the device and cover before drywall and finish work. Common mistakes include assuming the neutral is available at the switch when it is tied at the light fixture, which can be resolved by pulling a new cable that includes a neutral conductor to the switch location so code requirements and modern device compatibility are met. People often fail to secure or protect cable when routing through studs, and later drywall can be cut or nails can damage conductors. Install nail plates and secure cable with staples within 12 inches of boxes to prevent future harm. Another frequent issue is not obtaining a permit or following local electrical code, which can cause inspection failure or safety hazards. Contact the local permitting authority, follow required box fill calculations and grounding rules, and schedule an inspection before concealing work. We at bighomeprojects.com help homeowners find local contractors and compare estimates for electrical and other remodeling tasks. And we also help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting them with interested homeowners. Our site hosts a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions about wiring and code, and get practical advice from peers and professionals.